Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Tricks app. In today's video, I will tell you how to auto-save messages on your Snapchat. For this, first of all, go to your Snapchat app and open your app. Now just go to your chat and I will tell you two ways to save a chat. First of all, select the person you want to save the chat. And for example, if you want to save this one message, you can just click and hold and click on Save in Chats. Now it is showing the chat is saved. Here is another method. You can save your Snapchat chats automatically. For this, go to person's name and now click on three dots upper right corner, and here you just go to chat settings and now click on delete chats option, and here you have the second option. Just click and set to this 24 hours after viewing. Now your chats would be saved automatically for 24 hours. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.